So this is Taurus the bull. And Taurus, this is, we're actually very, very fortunate, very, very humbled that we have 3 of these guys in our family. He's what's called an eastern indigo snake. And these guys, I have had the honor, the privilege of working with quite a few of these for several years now. These guys, I have coined that they ooze awesomeness, and they have many layers, many levels of awesomeness. So these guys here, they are one of the rarest native snakes in the United States.
What is it?
He's what's called an eastern indigo snake. And these grow to be one of the largest and one of the rarest native species of snakes in the United States.
Are they in danger now with the other snakes that are...
These guys, eastern indigo snakes, you can only find them in 3 states, and that's it. Georgia, Alabama, and Florida. Georgia and Alabama critically endangered. Actually, officially, they're listed as locally extirpated, also AKA locally extinct, both in Georgia and in Alabama. In Florida, they are currently listed as critically threatened. So they are on the way to becoming endangered. These guys are so rare. Not too long ago, it just made huge news that only the 2nd eastern indigo snake was spotted in the wild in Alabama in over 60 years. That's how rare these guys are. So as I said, we are very humbled. We are very, very fortunate. We are very, very blessed that we actually have 3 of these guys in this program to assure that if we're doing a program, our visitors get the opportunity to see, to learn, to experience this magnificent species.
His colors are just...
This is the king. This is the king of the park. He's the biggest family member. He's the biggest indigo, and he's only going to get bigger.